How to activate Optus SIM card is usually pretty straightforward, but does catch people out if they skip one smart step. First, put the SIM into your phone and turn it on. If it's a new Optus SIM, your phone should pick up the Optus network automatically. In some cases, it might take a minute or two to connect, so give it a moment. Next, you will need to activate it for most new prepaid and postpaid SIMs. You do you do that online. You will be asked for the SIM number, which is printed on the SIM itself or on the card it came in. You will also need some ID details. There's part of the registration rules in Australia, so do not skip it. If you bought a prepaid SIM on it's registered, you will need to recharge to get credit. Without a recharge, the SIM might not connect to calls or data. For postpaid, your plan usually starts as soon as activation goes through. Sometimes the SIM will not activate straight away. That can happen if the details you entered do not match. Or if the network is busy, in that case, restart your phone, check you entered the SIM number correctly, and wait about 30 minutes. It often comes through on its own. If you are moving your exciting number to a new Optus SIM that's got a port, you will need to start the port during activation and provide your current number and account details. That process can take a few hours and in some cases up to a business day. During that time, your old SIM will stop working on the part finishes. A couple of quick tips. Make sure mobile data is turned on in your phone setting after activation. And if you are on an iPhone or Android, you might get a prompt to update carrier setting. Accepting that can help with coverage and messaging. That's it. Once you see the Optus signal bars and can make a call, you are good to go. Let me know in the comments if you are SIM activated first go or if you run into any issue, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.